Yo, what's going on guys? I'm Novaware and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Visual Studio on a Windows computer. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your browser of choice. I'm using Brave. Alright, then you want to type up Visual Studio. And then you want to just click on the first one by Microsoft. This will also be in the link below. Then you want to scroll down past this GitHub Copilot. You want to go to Visual Studio, you want to go Community. Now Community is the free one. Now if it doesn't pop up here, if you're using maybe an outdated browser, you can go to your files. It should be down here, or you can hit the Windows button, or go down to here, click the Windows button there, and then you want to type in folder. And then that'll come up with File Explorer. Then you got Downloads, and then it should be right here at the start. And if that hasn't happened, I want you to click Control J and it should be here. If it's not, go back and re-download it. And then it should download. Okay, now you can minimize that or close it and you want to double click on the download. It will come up here and it will go through this and it will prompt you with a do you want or run as administrator. You want to click yes. Okay, now it will download a bit and go to this, Visual Studio Installer. Then click continue, it's going to download now. Alright, now that you've got to this is how you install the different coding languages. Click on where you want to go, which ones you want to download. As again, I'm just going to pick these two. Then here we'll have a location. And this automatically downloads to the C drive, but it is 19 gigabytes, so I don't want to use that much. So I'm going to click change. And then I'm going to go to the Visual Studio IDE. Come to here, I'm going to go to my storage, D, I'm going to create a new storage and call it VS, or you can call it Visual Code, or Visual Studio. Hit enter, select folder. What you can do is go to here, and then you want to make another file called Visual Studio cache, like that. You want to hit select folder and then that'll do that there. Alright, now this is alright, and shared tools and everything, that's gonna stay there. You can't change this, but this will be all 13 gigabytes and all these 8 gigabytes here will be installed into your D drive, and then you want to click install. Now it's going to install. Alright guys, and after about 10-15 minutes we get a pop-up saying sign into Visual Studio. This just signs into your Microsoft account. It is optional, but you don't have to do it, so I'm just going to skip this for now. I personally like the dark theme and the development settings. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to just do general because that kind of glosses over them all. Alright, so that wasn't actually long at all. And now you have Visual Studio 2022, and now we can create a new project if we want. And you have all these different projects that you can make. C#, here's all the languages that we installed. So these are all the languages that I installed. So that was how to install Visual Studio on a Windows computer in 2023. Hope you had a great day, and see ya.